Today, we're diving deep into the CORSAIR RM750, a powerhouse in the world of power supplies. Sporting a 750 watt output and 80+ gold certification, this unit means business. What sets it apart? Well, let's start with its fully modular design, a feature that streamlines cable management by allowing you to connect only the cables your system needs, reducing clutter and improving airflow. But that's just the beginning. One standout feature is its triple EPS 12V connectors, ensuring compatibility with even the most demanding graphics cards and motherboards, making it a top choice for gamers and enthusiasts alike. Worried about noise? Fear not. The RM750 comes equipped with a 140mm rifle bearing fan, complete with a specially calculated fan curve to keep noise levels at a minimum, even under full load. Plus, with its 0 RPM fan mode, you'll enjoy near-silent operation during low to medium loads, perfect for those late-night gaming sessions or intense work sessions. Durability is also a key focus here. With industrial-grade, 105°C rated capacitors, you can trust that this unit delivers solid electrical performance and reliability, ensuring your system stays powered up when you need it most. In conclusion, the CORSAIR RM750 is a true workhorse, offering the power, efficiency, and reliability that PC builders crave. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just need a reliable power supply for your daily tasks, the RM750 has you covered. Say goodbye to power woes and hello to seamless performance with the CORSAIR RM750. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.